Assalamu alaikum students. This is another question from exercise 8b chapter 8. Question 1. Find the value of each of the following. This question is about increase percentage and decrease percentage. So part A is increase 60 by 35%. That means we have to increase 60 by 35% after calculating 35% of 60. So first we calculate 35% of 60. We write 35% of 60. How we write 35% in fraction? We write it as 35 out of 100, or we say 35 upon 100 multiply by 60. Now we read table of here 25 times 520 is the 100 and 320 is the 60. We further read table of 5 up to 35 7 times, so the denominators will become 1. Now 7 and 3 are remaining in numerators. We multiply these numbers, 7 and 3 will become 21. Now this 21 is 35% of 60. We add this 21 to 60 and the answer will become 81. 60 plus 21 is 81. Now part B, that is also increase 28 by 125%. Again we take or calculate 125% of 28. We write here as 125% of 28. We convert this percent into fraction, like 125 out of 100, or we say 125 upon 100. So here again we read table of 25 4 times. 420 is the 25 is the 100 and 525 is the 125. So still 4 is remaining. We read table of 4 up to 28. 4 1 is the 4 and 4 7 is the 28. So the numerators are 5 and 7. We multiply these two numerators. 7 5 is the 35. Now this 35 is 125% of 28. We add this 35 to 28 and answer will become 63. 28 plus 35 is equal to 63. Now beta, now students, this is part C, decrease 120 by 45%. We calculate 45% of 120 first. So we write 45% of 120. 45 over 100 will be the fractional number of 45%, and this will become, we divide, read table of 20. 5 times 520 is the 100 and 620 is the 120. Still 5 is in denominator, so we read table of 5. 5 1 is the 5 and 5 9 is the 45. Now 9 and 6 are remaining in numerators. We multiply these two numbers. 9 6 is the 54. So this is actually 45% of 120. We subtract this 54 from 120 and the answer will become 66. Now part D is decrease 216 by 37 whole 1 upon 2%. This is little typical because this is in mixed fraction. We first convert it into fraction, that is we multiply 37 by 2, this will become 74, and plus 1 it will become 75. So 37 whole 1 upon 2% will become 75 upon 2. And what about percent? This is out of 100, or we say divided by 100. When we divide any fractional numbers, we convert it into multiplication and the next number will become reciprocal. So it will become 75 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Now we cancel out these two numbers by reading table of 25. 325 is the 75 and 425 is the 100. So the numerators are 3 and 1. We multiply 3. 1 is the 3 and denominators are 2 and 4. We multiply 2. 4 is the 8. So the answer is 3 upon 8. This is still not answer, but we just taken 37%. This is 3 out of 8 or 3 upon 8. Now we calculate that 3 out of 8 of 216 will become, we write it as 3 upon 8 multiplied by 216. We read table of 8. 1 time 8 1 is the 8 and 8 27 is the 216. So numerators are 3 and 27. We multiply these two numbers. 327 is the 81. Now we subtract 81 from 216. So 216 minus 81, it will become 135. This is the answer, that is decrease of decrease of 81 from 216, or we say decrease of 37 whole 1 upon 2% from 216. And students, hope you understand this. If you have any query, please ask me in the comment, or I will help you in next